In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default shape fill, outline, and effects in PowerPoint. This is a simple trick that saves time and keeps your slides consistent, especially when you're building a deck with lots of visuals. Start by inserting a shape. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and pick any shape you like. A rectangle is a great starting point, but this works with circles, arrows, callouts, anything in the gallery. Click and drag on your slide to draw it. Don't worry about the exact size right now. You can always adjust it later. With the shape selected, let's give it the look you want to use going forward. On the Shape Format tools, open Shape Fill and choose a solid color or a gradient. Solid fills are clean and reliable, while gradients add subtle depth. If you choose a gradient, select colors that complement your theme and keep the angle and brightness consistent so it looks professional on every slide. Next, open Shape Outline to set the border. Pick a color that contrasts gently with the fill. Then adjust the weight to control thickness. A thin line often looks refined, while a heavier line can emphasize callouts or key metrics. If you want personality, try a dashed style. Just keep legibility in mind. Now, add finishing touches with shape effects. A soft shadow can lift the shape off the slide without looking flashy. Glow can make labels pop against busy backgrounds. Reflection and 3D options are available too, but subtlety usually works best in business or academic presentations. A quick tip: preview a couple of presets to see what feels right, then fine-tune if needed. Once the shape looks exactly how you want, right-click it and select Set as default shape. That single action stores your fill, outline, and effects as the default for any new shape you insert in this presentation. From now on, every shape you add will automatically match this style, helping you maintain a unified look without repetitive formatting. A few notes to keep in mind. This applies to shapes you insert after setting the default. Existing shapes won't change. The default remembers visual styling like fill, outline, and effects, so you get consistent design every time. If you want to update the default later, just format another shape and set it as the default again using the same right-click option. And that's it. Insert, format, set as default, and enjoy fast, consistent styling across your entire presentation.